Hello friends, welcome back to N1N2 tutorial. I am N1 and as you know friends, we have a YouTube channel N1N2 tutorial. Now N1N2 tutorial has also started its website. Okay, to see our website or to visit our website, type the line underlined in green in the video. Type it in any web browser, for example Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox or Opera Mini, etc. etc. Open a web browser and type it n1n2tutorial.blogspot.com. While typing, ensure that there is no space between the letters you type and between the words also. Okay friends, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. And friends, one more thing that we want to tell you, that please follow our website and fill up your email address in the menu in the left hand side. Okay friends, this is for as you fill the address and then you click the button give notifications, and when we write posts on our website, then you will receive notifications on your mail that we have posted something, and then you can go there and visit our website and see our posts. Okay friends, thanks for watching this video.